Here I want to take a look at dividing polynomials using long division. So here we have 5x to the fourth minus 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 39. Now we'll notice that we're missing the x term in this first polynomial. Divided by x squared plus 2x minus 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this with old school division. So I have x squared plus 2x minus 4. And then we are dividing by 5x to the fourth minus 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 0x. And again, because there's no x term, we're going to keep ourselves organized, plus 0x minus 39. Okay, so we're going to look at the first terms, x squared and the 5x to the fourth. We will always use the x squared term on what is outside the bracket. So we ask ourselves, what do we multiply x squared by to get 5x to the fourth? 5x squared. I'm going to line up the 5x squared directly above the 7x squared term, just to help myself stay organized. Now I know that I'll have an x term as an answer, and then a constant followed up by the remainder. Next, we'll take the 5x squared, and we'll multiply it by the x squared to get 5x to the fourth. 5x squared times the 2x to get plus 10x cubed. And then 5x squared minus 4 to get minus 20x squared. With long division, the algorithm says we subtract every single time. So we'll subtract every quantity inside and come up with our new polynomial. So 5x to the fourth minus 5x to the fourth, I get 0. Negative 2x cubed minus 10x cubed, so negative 12x cubed. Negative 7x squared minus a negative 20x squared plus 13x squared. And the last step, in long division, remember we always drop down the next term. In this case, we'll drop down to 0x. There are some cases where you'll drop more than one term down, but it doesn't happen very often. So now we're asking ourselves, again, what do we multiply this x squared by to get negative 12x cubed? Negative 12x. So now we have negative 12x cubed minus 24x squared. And 12 times 4 gives us 48 plus 48x. And again, the algorithm of long division, we subtract. So we have 0x cubed, 13 plus 24x squared, 37x squared. And 0x minus 48, negative 48x. Drop down to negative 39. Next, we'll ask ourselves, what do we multiply x squared by to get 37x squared? So 37. 37x squared. 37 times 2, 74. And 37 times 4, 148. And that is negative. Last thing we'll do is subtract 37x squared minus 37x squared. We get 0. Next we have 48 minus 74. Negative 26, or sorry, negative 48 minus 74, negative 122. Negative 39 plus 148, 109. At this point, there's nothing we can multiply x squared by to get 122x. So that becomes our remainder, negative 122x plus 109. 122x plus 109, all divided by x squared plus 2x minus 4.